Fantastic. Hello, everybody. Hope you guys are well. As the patient doesn't mind, tell us your history of your verruca.
Oh, I've had this verruca for about 2 years almost.
Yeah.
It started off small and it's just been growing rapidly. I've had multiple treatments, but it just keeps coming back.
What kind of treatments did you have before?
I've done silver nitrate. I've done the cryo, and I've had swift treatment and one bout of needling.
And out of all of them, which one actually shrunk it a little bit?
I would say probably the swift initially, but then it came back bigger.
Ah, and you had 3 sessions, was it?
6.
Oh, 6. Over how long a period of time?
Give or take, the first batch was over 3-4 months.
Yeah.
And then there was a bit of a 3-month break.
Yeah.
And the next batch was again 3 months.
And when you had that gap, was it already grown back?
It was during that gap that it grew back bigger. So originally it got smaller, thought it went away, and then saw that it was coming back, and then tried another 4th round of treatment. And after the 4th round, it visibly started
growing,
expanding.
Oh wow! And was that after a 3-month gap when you saw it trying to grow back a little bit?
Yeah, it started growing back a bit. It was about the same size, maybe slightly bigger when it was growing back after the 3-month period.
So what I would have done is, if you saw it trying to go back, I was seeing you earlier, I wouldn't have waited for that 3 months. I would be like, okay, it's trying to go back, let's do it earlier. Because I know the protocol is to wait like 3 months, but sometimes these things just have to have their own mind.
Yeah.
And you haven't had any weight loss or anything like that? You've been healthy?
Yeah, I've been relatively healthy. Probably gained weight.
It's a lot flatter now.
That's good. It's very big.
But it looks very tender.
Is it?
Yeah, this bit here.
I'll look in a bit.
Yeah. Don't want to make it bleed too much right now. I might just, when I do a local anesthetic, inject it, then do a little bit more deployment.
I was always tempted to cut at it because
It's quite
splitting and getting hairy.
Yeah. That's the verruca tissue talking to you. Okay,
Yeah.
let me just check. So I'm doing a local anesthetic. I want the tissue nice and soft before I actually inject it.
Yeah. Put Band-Aid over it. I just don't want to. It'll make me want to cut it.
I'll pick at it, right? Proud of you, no matter what. Oh, so where are you like family? Are they, are you Korean?
No,
Chinese?
my family's originally Chinese.
Ah, what kind of Chinese?
Shanghai?
Ah, do you speak Shanghainese?
A little bit.
Ah, good. Is it a dying language, Shanghainese?
Yeah, it's a dialect, but it's a dying dialect because they don't really teach it.
Same with Cantonese. Cantonese is going to be a dying dialect. But there's lots of. Which part of Australia are you from?
I'm from Melbourne.
Ah, fantastic. There's lots of Asian.
Yeah.
Certainly there's lots of.
But my Chinese is getting worse and worse over the years.
So you don't speak it too much here then?
No, not many people to speak it with over here.
Oh. So are you going to go back to Melbourne?
Not sure. It's always a great debate. My wife is French, so her family all lives in Lyon. So she's not quite happy if we move over to Australia.
Yeah.
So it's always the age-old debate.
How often do you go back to Australia then?
Probably once every 2 years, maybe a year or 2.
And what does your mum say? Because obviously she was a bit attached to you when you said, I'm going to England, bye-bye.
Yeah, I think she's gotten over that phase, but she came to visit me last was it April, May?
Uh-huh.
She was visiting, so I was just seeing her. So it was quite nice. But yeah, she does get on my nerves.
As all mom does. Okay, you can see the verruca tissue, so I'm just going to start needling. These things do bleed quite a bit, so we just want to just, anchor the blood more than anything else. And I'm going to just do this section here first. Little bit by little bit. But you like it more than Melbourne here in England?
I definitely like the food back in Melbourne.
Yeah.
The family and friends and things like that. But I moved over here on a whim.
Yeah.
It's an adventure. I like the friends and community I've created here.
Yeah.
So yeah, I like to enjoy it here. And the job opportunity is slightly better here.
Have you made friends with more Aussies, or is it quite
Actually, I love Aussies.
Yeah, exactly. I remember when I was younger, I was hanging out with a lot of Aussies actually.
Oh, did you?
Yeah, like trips and parties, and we probably know some friends.
Yeah.
Yeah.
Yeah, probably.
Yeah. And then some of them have stayed and have kids and stuff like that, like married and. But did you think that you were gonna stay here and not go back and?
Yeah, well, originally I thought I'd come here, work for 2-3 years, contract working in finance, and then go home.
Yeah.
But just ended up staying. It's funny sometimes.
Okay, you can stop recording. So, you can see the maceration. Yeah, I've done the whole thing. Okay, just hold that. 1, 2, 3.